nail friends, it's Sarah here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an Etsy haul. So if you guys have never been on Etsy, Etsy is kind of a place where people can sell products almost like Shopify, but a lot of people use it for small businesses, homemade items, stuff like that. So I thought it'd be fun to explore Etsy, look for some unique nail art items, and do a haul for you guys. So if you guys are interested in that, just keep watching. Okay, so I have a bunch of little packages here. I'm just gonna get started right off the bat here. Just gonna grab one and open it up. And then I have my phone here and I will search for the store so I can talk about it. I don't really know which store these came from. I have a lot here. So I'm just going to figure it out based on what's in the package. So let's get started on this big one. I thought this looked intriguing. So I don't really remember everything I purchased, so that's why I'm just gonna kind of open it up and figure it out. This is from the store Sugar My Nails. I'll make sure to link every single store, hopefully in order, in my description box. So make sure you check my description box. Okay. Wow, cool. So this is like a really unique foil I got here. Look at this one. See, I've never seen something like this on a regular nail shop. That's really cool. So look at these like interesting, oh wow, these are really cool. Okay, so what this is like a foil kind of, but it's got an imprint in it. Do you guys see? So what you do is you would apply your acrylic and then you'd let it dry like a little bit, and then you'd push this into it, which would give these cool lines as well as deposit the foil. I think that's what this one's for. I would love to do a set with this one. I think this is really cool. The colors I picked here look like super Christmassy. So I don't know. These could also be used to disperse the foil very, what's the word? Sparsely? Yeah, disperse it sparsely. So you can maybe just even stamp this on. I don't know. I don't know how this is meant to be used. I'm excited to try it. There's many ways you can use this. It doesn't have to be used in whatever way they suggest on the site. I already thought of 2 ways I could get use out of this. So I definitely want to give this a try soon. What do you guys think of this? Isn't this cool? Also, this is going to be really great for Christmas. So that was just the first thing I've opened. I'm already really into it. Okay, so that was that. This is still from Sugar My Nails, and this looks cool. This is transfer foil, but again, unique foils. Stuff I've never really seen before. This one's like, wow, really pretty. Look at that. They got like butterflies and like pastel background with these little flowers. That's really cute. And then, so I just don't want to mess these up because they look so cute in my little package here. And then there's this one that kind of looks like a floral galaxy. That's so cool. And this one's like orange with flowers. You guys, like, these are so unique and pretty. I really like this. Here, I'm gonna give you guys kind of like a close-up. So you can kind of see the choices. Isn't that cool? Do you guys want me to do a set with these? Let me know. Obviously, I have to do some sets with this nail art, but yeah, really happy with that. So far, liking my first package. So, I also got more stuff in this package. What else is in here? So these are like 3D embossed kind of flowers. I gotta open this up so you guys can kind of see. Oh, they're stuck together. Wow, cool, hey? Do you guys see? I hope you guys can tell. They're kind of like 3D. They're not super flat flowers. Here, I'll open this one up. Oh, wow, those look so cool. I thought these were so unique, and I really want to get a set done with these too. Look, you guys kind of see they stick up a little bit. So that's just going to give a lot of texture on the nails. So if you do this on top of the nails or inside, like, there's so many things you could do with these. These are really cool. So this is one of the ones I picked up. It's kind of like white, light blue, purple, pink, really pretty. And then I got some other ones too. So there's this one that has like a vintage flower look. And then there's this. They keep sticking together. There's this one that's got like the blues and the purples. These are really pretty. So there's those. There's more actually. Yes, okay, so there's more here. So I got this one, and this one. I'm really into florals right now. I don't know. I just also wanted some unique stuff I haven't seen before. So I thought these were really cool since I've never seen them before. What do you guys think? And do you want me to do a set with these, like, I think they're called 2D actually, 2D flowers. Yeah, let me know down below. Really so far happy with just the first store that I bought from. I'm not even finished the first store yet. I also got in some, I'm gonna say it the Canadian way, decals, okay? I got in some decals. If you're American, you probably say decal. That sounds really weird to me. So I'm gonna say decal. I got in some decals here that I just thought were really cool and unique again. So this one is Daisies. I thought that was cute. Summer's not over. Summer is not over. So daisies are cute. Ooh, this one. Succulents. I love plants, so I wanted to get a succulent one. I don't know why, but I'm sure I'll find a way to use this. Cool, hey? Yeah, so you could do this kind of same stuff with stamping, but sometimes it takes a little longer. So I wanted some easier, quicker things to do some of my compilations with. I personally am not a big fan of like name brand things, but I know that people are. So I decided to go get some of those. So this is some Chanel ones. Look, they got little shoes and the Chanel like logos and stuff. I thought that was really cute. And then I got some Louis Vuitton ones so that maybe I could do some stuff with that for you guys. So let me know down below what you want to see me use from Sugar. What was it? Sugar My Nails. And if you like anything from her shop, I will link it as the first down below. So make sure you check my description box for everything linked and all the Etsy shops you can check out. Also, this is not sponsored. I bought all of these with my own money, which makes me wonder if this is from the same person. Actually, no, it is. Ah, so this one is also from Sugar My Nails. Okay, so another thing of foils. This one is leopard print, tiger print, snake print. Like, look how cool these are. I already have an abalone one, but look at these ones. We've got like holographic leopard, holographic snake skin. Really cool. I really like this one though. Look at this one. I'm just gonna carefully pull that out. Tiger print with the white is hollow. Like, that's so cool. I don't know, I'm really into this. So yeah, that was from All the One store. Really like her foils, so definitely check her out. Cute. Okay, let's grab something else. Let's go with this one. This one says it's from Cocoon Creations. Oh yeah, okay. You guys are like, why? Why did you buy this? They're sharks. They're like little holographic sharks. Because why not, you know? Why not? So I saw these sharks, and I don't know when I'm ever going to use them. I don't know what kind of set I'm going to do with them, but for some reason, I had to have a bag of sharks. I don't think I'll ever get to use all this. I should probably do like a giveaway and put some sharks into like a little container or something. I think I could do something really cool, like a long nail set with these sharks. Also a bag of black Mylar. I don't know why. I just feel like I don't have any black Mylar. Maybe I do. I don't know, but it caught my attention, caught my eye. So yeah, now I have a huge bag of black Mylar I'll never be able to go through. Yeah, so that was from the second store, which is called Cacoon Creations, and I thought that these were just fun, and maybe I'll do a set with them. So let me know if you guys want to see a shark set. Okay, let's go to the next package. So this one is from a store called Fingerheart. And the reason I got these was because they were glow-in-the-dark hearts, which I thought would be cute because who doesn't love glow-in-the-dark stuff? These are limited quantities, it says. So I'm not sure if they're just not going to have a lot left or something. So if you guys are interested in these, they're just glow-in-the-dark hearts, but I thought that they would be cool. Here's like the picture of it, right? They like glow. I don't know. Glow-in-the-dark stuff's pretty cool. So that's what I got from Fingerheart. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, I'm really excited about this one. Okay, so the place is called ModernMacrames. Don't know if I said that right, but they are like little pieces of butterflies. I'm not sure if they're paper, I'm not sure, I don't know, but they're really unique butterflies, which I thought were so cute. So here's the business card. Macrames. ModernMacrames. Yeah? Anyways, I thought that these would be so cute and small. They're tiny little butterflies. Ooh, they're so thin. What are these made of? I don't know. They're like little butterflies. They don't feel like flimsy like paper. I can bend them if I try hard enough. So I got this cool blue and purpley looking butterflies. And then I got this kind of like butterfly one that I thought would be really cool to do an autumn set. Like a butterfly fall set. What do you guys think? Do you want to see that? Oh, so cool. I thought these were so pretty and unique, and I've never seen anything like this. So that's why I got them. I love these. Yeah, so I definitely want more of these. I should have just grabbed every single color they had, unless I did. But yeah, these ones are considered the orange yellow butterfly nail sequins, and then these ones are the turquoise butterfly sequins. So I really like these, and I will link that shop down below. Okay, so this place is called Cute Nail Charms. So I got a discount code for myself for my next order, and a handwritten thank you, which is so nice from these little shops. So these I'm really excited for because I could make them myself, but I'm just lazy and I don't want to. So I decided to pay someone to make them for me. She makes 3D flowers and 3D stuff. So I really wanted to get the rainbow flowers. See, like, you can make these yourself, but it takes so much time. And hers are so delicately well done. Like, look at that. So these are handmade 3D flowers you can stick on top of the nails. And they're so well done. So I'm super happy with those. And then I also got this one, I think. Did I? I don't remember. Oh, this is a gift. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, so this is a little gift. I was like, I don't remember buying these. They're tiny little 3D hearts. Oh, so cute. So yeah, you can make this stuff yourself with acrylic. It's just, it takes time. So I decided to go and buy them. I really like the rainbow flowers. I want to do something with them. I'm not sure what. Some kind of rainbow set. I think I want to do like a really extravagant rainbow set and then use those flowers. And then look, the little hearts too. So she has a bunch of different 3D things made on her site that you guys can go check out. I'll make sure to link her in my description box. Okay, I have two more to open here. So let's go with this one. This is from a place called Maky Nails, Maky Nails. And all I got was this one thing of foil, but I really liked it because it's black with holographic silver transfer foil. So I thought that was really cool. I'm holographic silver snowflakes. So I really am trying to plan ahead because me and Talia are doing our Christmas series. We're gonna do it a little different this year, but we're still gonna do our annual Christmas series that we do every year. So I'm trying to plan ahead and get some winter stuff for that. I know it's still summer. We haven't even gone through fall yet, but gotta plan ahead, you guys, gotta plan ahead. So that's what I got for that from that place. So yeah, just some holographic silver snowflakes foil. Okay, the last thing I have in here, this is from a place called SW Nails, and basically it's just more transfer foil. I've been stocking up on foils lately, and these ones are really pretty because they're like marble stones. This one's a green stone, and then this one is like a pink stone. So they're very pretty. I thought that these would be really cool to do some sort of set with. What do you guys think? Checking my order page from Etsy, I actually still have a few things coming. So I might order a couple more things and then do another Etsy haul next month. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you subscribe. So yeah, I hope you guys like this Etsy haul and I gave you some ideas for some nail art, maybe some different nail art to check out. I'll make sure to link everybody in my description box. If there's anything you guys would like to see from this Etsy haul done in a set, please let me know down below what you'd like to see. I'm personally thinking of doing an autumn butterfly set and an extravagant rainbow design. But if there's anything else you guys would like, please let me know down below and maybe I will do that. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell next to it to be notified when I post, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!